So Jouef have just started delivering the new Vossloh DE18 diesels. This one is in the Colas Rail livery. We've got some different variants coming through slowly, also in the Rivarossi range. And they represent a nice increase in quality from Hornby International. You've got nice die-cast chassis, motors in the centre with twin flywheels, and the detail work is also nicely done. You've got NEM coupler pockets, standard European hoop coupling in them, but you can change them. You've got lighting options, so the third light there, the red lights are on a separate control. We have little computer screens inside for the controls, and they're nicely printed as well, so there's some detail there. And then the full cab lights, and the mechanism is quite sweet. A lot of inertia on the sound decoder fitted models. Have to remember to stop it in time. Very smooth running. So it is a sound loco, so this is the function list. I wish they would print these larger. I'm sorry, I can't be alone with the eyesight that's getting worse as I get older. But that complaint out of the way, we'll fire up the sound. I think it's a twin speaker setup at the front, it's underneath the fan grill there.
Mesdames et messieurs, attention à voie 3, un train passera sans arrêt. Locomotive avec 3 allemands de la voie 10 à la voie 31.
There's plenty of operating functions, there's 28 in total. I've got to watch that inertia. They do take quite a lot to stop them. Oops. The lights on. It's a small touch, but I quite like the little paint effect on the buffers, so it's little wear marks on them. This is just a quick overview of the loco. There are other ones coming into the range as well, in different liveries. I think the sound's quite good as well. That's another area of improvement.